Hi, welcome to MedBot, your friendly medicine vending machine. In 1994, Masahiro Hara, inspired by the game of Go, created the QR code. He got the idea from the black and white grid pattern used in the game. Named Quick Response for its fast scanning ability. QR codes are now used worldwide in payments, tracking and smart tech. This innovation was inspired by traditional vending machines, which operate manually without user identity verification. In contrast, QR code-enabled vending machines offer personalized access, user authentication, and AI integration to provide automatic, safer, and more efficient medication recommendations. This process was inspired by QR code access technology and aims to apply it to a vending machine system. It will involve the integration of a mobile application and a microcontroller to effectively control the dispensing mechanism. In the development of this vending machine, we use Telegram as the main application platform to facilitate seamless and user-friendly interaction between the system and the user. With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, this technology has become a vital tool in reducing human error. In this project, we have integrated our application with an AI assistant based on the ChatGPT model, which has been specifically modified and developed into MedBot. MedBot is a digital assistant designed specifically for pharmacy and healthcare applications. It has been trained to provide guidance in accordance with official health regulations, including references from the Ministry of Health Malaysia, MOH, such as Poisons Act 1952, Sale of Drugs Act 1952, Guidelines on the Use of Medicines, Medicine Advertisement Guidelines. Through this approach, MedBot not only enhances system efficiency, but also ensures compliance with current healthcare policies and standards. Let's begin with instruction. Step 1. You need scan QR code on vending machine. Step 2. After scan the QR code provided, you will be redirected to MedBot via the Telegram apps. Press the link to get consult from MEDBOT. Step 3. Tap the link provided to begin your consultation with MedBot. Follow the guidance given by MedBot for health-related advice. Once done, return to the previous page in the Telegram app. Step 4. After returning to the previous page in the Telegram app, select your illness based on the suggestion provided by MedBot. Once selected, wait for the vending machine to dispense your medicine. Collect your medicine from the designated slot. Thank you for choosing us for your medicine experts. Let's get health together.